welcome back to my channel. You guys are probably thinking, where am I filming? It's just the opposite of my room, guys. The opposite of my room. You can also see here I have a few stuff because for today's video I'm going to try out a DIY whitehead remover. I saw a lot of girls doing it on the internet and obviously on YouTube and on Instagram, so I thought I always have this problem around my nose area, especially around my nose area, so I thought I'm going to try it out. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and if you are new here, welcome. And if you are always watching my videos, thank you so much. Thank you for all the support from everybody. So let's get into this video. So you will need a small bowl, like any bowl. You actually need white Colgate, but this is the only toothpaste I have at the moment. You will need an old toothbrush. You will need bicarb or baking soda. You will need a cloth, and then you will need boiling water. This is a floss, guys. So first things first, you need to open the pores. So I'm going to pour in some boiling water. Let me show you. Just a little bit, not too much. Then I'm going to dab in the spot so that I can cover my nose. So you have to keep this on your nose area and on all the areas where you guys see the whiteheads or the blackheads on your face. Normally it's around the nose area, underneath the nose, here at the bottom, and here by the forehead area. But for me, for today, I'm going to try by my nose area because my nose area is the main problem. I think you guys can keep it on the nose area up until a minute. 1 minute. Until the pores is open, basically. Let me make the paste. Okay guys, I think it was around about a minute. So now I'm going to apply the paste that I just showed you guys all over my nose. I'll show you guys quickly. So I am applying this all over my nose area. Remember that you can add a bit of more water to the mixture if you don't want it as thick as mine, because toothpaste has a strong smell. I wonder if I should try it. Apparently, toothpaste, guys, the toothpaste is strong. I'm rubbing it. After that, you have to take the wet cloth, again dab it in the water, and then you need to wipe away. I don't even have a before or after picture for you guys, but I will tell you my honest opinion because this is the first time I'm trying this. Also, mine is burning a bit because I just removed my lip hair and also cleaned my eyebrows, so it will burn a bit. I removed mine with the Mandy's hair removal cream. You can find it at any Clicks or Discount. So I think this, if you're rubbing it like this with a toothbrush, should be like a few seconds, I guess. I do advise you guys not to do this if you shave, if you remove it with hair removal cream, or if you wax, or if you thread, or anything like that, because it can burn. I was actually very dumb to do this now after that. So just a tip, guys. Okay, so I think I'm going to remove now. Dab it into the water and wipe. If this don't work, I'm going to be very upset. Very. I also think I'm coming down with a cold, guys, because I've been sneezing and coughing since yesterday. Also, this video is today, it's Sunday that I'm shooting this video, and it's actually raining in Cape Town. It's a chilly day. So now the people with hay fever and sinuses, it's probably acting up. And you see, guys, now this area is a bit red because I just removed this lip here. That's why that area is red. So I will advise you guys not to do it. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. I see, I'm going to try it over here. My nose looks clean. Oh my god. Guys, I won't lie. My nose is always full of whiteheads. I know it's disgusting, I know, I'm sorry. And it's so annoying, especially with me, because my skin is very dry. And I have so much pimples. Oh my god. You know what I've noticed, whenever I do edges, like if my hair is dirty and I do edges, then obviously the gel or whatever you use for your edges or your hairspray that you apply on afterwards, it always gives me pimples afterwards, because obviously it goes on my skin. I think that's why. Period pimples also. Guys, my nose is clean. I don't know if you can see. Just see. My nose area is so clean. Oh my word. I'm going to try it on here also now. Let's do this. Dip it into the warm water. Keep it on there. Keep it on there. Around about a minute. Oops. My mixture is falling. I think the pores is open now. I think the pores is open. Let's apply. Also, guys, remember, if you open your pores, you have to be quick with the mixture, because your skin can get so quick cold and then the pores will close up again. The pores must be open for it to work. Just if you scrub it a little or rub it with a toothbrush, don't be too harsh. I'm going to see if this is going to work. Remember, guys, for the ingredients, toothpaste or white Colgate, which is the best, baking soda or bicarb, a little bit of water, old toothbrush, old small bowl, do the mixture, open your pores with a cloth, warm water, that's it. And apply the mixture, rub it or scrub it gently, guys, gently. And then Guys, I think you should try because I think it's definitely making a difference. If you do remove it, dip it again into the water. Oh my word! I think it's actually making a difference. I'm sorry that you guys can see so deep into my nose, but don't worry. Guys, oh my freaking word. Guys, it's working. Oh my word. Guys, I will advise you to try this at home. It's easy, it's quick, it's only basically 2 ingredients, which is toothpaste you have to use every day, bicarb or baking soda you must have in your house, water obviously, and then you make the mixture. And I will advise you guys to do this once or twice a week depending on how your skin is. If your skin is too sensitive, once a week. If your skin is okay, twice a week. I will definitely try this twice a week because my nose, it feels clean and I can actually see that the most of the dirt is out. Most of the dirt is out. Oh my word. Well guys, that is it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and follow me on Instagram. Go like my page on Facebook at Little Ruiz. Show me some love. Follow me on Twitter guys. Also, I just did my very first TikTok video. I didn't upload it because I don't think I'm that good, but I will in future. So hopefully I'll be on TikTok also soon, and hopefully I will start with my IGTV videos as well guys. Thank you so much to all the support so far guys. Thank you so much. We got you, like, I'm almost on 70 subscribers. Almost there guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.